So now let's start the conversation. So hi, good afternoon, good morning.
Good morning to you.
Yeah, how are you doing?
I am doing good. And what about you?
I am also great, thanks. So let me inform you that what is going to be in this conversation. You know what we will do in this conversation. You know, yeah, this conversation is going to be in four parts. At one part, in one part, will we know each other, and in second part, I will ask five questions, and in third part, I will, you know, bring here five basic verbs and you need to tell their past simple, and in fourth, you know you will need to translate, and then in fifth, you know uh, we will discuss five idioms.
Okay, whatever knowledge I have got, I will try to manage. I will try to give my answer. I will try to give
Try
best.
try to manage. So now let's introduce yourself.
Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. So I'm going to tell something about myself. My name is Lalu Paswan. I am a teacher, and since 2020, I have been learning English. And if you talk about my qualifications, so I'm just 12th pass out due to some reason I couldn't do my graduation. Although I have been teaching in a school since 2021, so that's all about me in a nutshell.
Yeah, that's great. So should I introduce myself?
Please.
Yeah, I'm Yugandhar Kumar Yadav. I'm from Uttar Pradesh, Badaumi district. I did VCA, and my hobbies are reading books, talking with strangers, and exploring new things. That is my introduction. So
Thank
should I,
you.
ask a question? Let me ask question.
Yeah, please ask.
Okay. So first questions. These are very basic. Okay. If you had a lot of money, so what would you do?
If I had a lot of money, it is not like that. It is not possible for me. But although if I had a lot of money, then I would open a institute, big institute. There I could teach spoken classes using the all the basic amendments like AC, all the things. And I will try to teach there all the students who are not very rich, they are very poor. I will give them free of cost coaching for almost 1 hour, 1 hour each and every day. I will give free coaching, and apart from that I will take money for teaching.
Yeah, that's a good idea. And second question, what is your message for beginners, one who want to speak English?
My message is that firstly you should try to bond yourself. If you really want to be a good speaker, then you have to bond yourself. You have to decide according to your schedule. If you have 2 hours each and every day, so you have to be bond yourself that within 2 hours I have to follow just English contents. Like I have to just use English contents, whether that would be for speaking, whether that would for listening, whether that for studying. So all the things you have to follow in English. If you have a 2 hours, and according to that schedule you have to make your timetable, like 1 hours you should try to speak each and every day. Apart from that, 30 minutes you should try to listen, 30 minutes for the reading, and 30 minutes, like this you should try to make a timetable.
Yeah, that's good. Great idea. Okay. Third, where do you think you need to improve? Pronunciation, vocabulary, confidence, and fluency.
Yeah, fluency is my good. Sometimes when I try to speak with someone, so at that time words doesn't come properly, like I am not capable to announce properly sometime.
Yeah. So you want to know improve your fluency.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So fourth, speak about your father for 2 minutes.
Yeah, my father is an auto driver. He works so hard, and it's because of that we are capable to come in Haryana. Basically, I'm from the Bihar, and since 2000 we have been living in Haryana. And my father did all the things, whatever thing he could for the family. He did all the things. In the morning, he get up, and after that, he goes for to drive the auto. After completing his work at 1 p.m., he come, and after that, once again he go for the driving the auto. So he does each and everything whatever things he could do, and it's because of that now we have completed our studies, and we are just dreaming for get something in our life. Otherwise, if our father hadn't done anything for ourselves, then we wouldn't have got something in our life. If we had been in the Bihar, so it would have very bad for us. But
Yeah,
because there is no environment of the studies a lot especially in my area where I belong, there the environment is not of the studies. A lot of a lot of persons send their kids for earning the money, and apart from earning the money, they just try to waste their time with doing miskind bad kind of things. You could understand what is the bad kinds of things, like so
yeah,
I
I
could
can
say,
understand. You
I
don't
could say
need to mention.
my father.
Yeah, that's great. Okay, so fifth, and that is the last. What is your strength?
What is my education?
Strength.
My strength is that I am those kind of person who always try to be hardworking, and always try to be happy. Whatever thing I have, I just always try to feel happy. And when I go to school to teach students, at the time when I teach students, so at that time I feel very happy. So this is my strength, that no one can dismotivate to me. And I am just following like a river. I know that getting something in our life, it is not like that within short span of time you could achieve something in your life. For that you will have to give a lot of time, and each and everything, whatever I could do, I always try to do.
Yeah, that's good. Now five verbs, basic verbs, and you know, you need to tell their simple past. So
Mhm.
first, shout.
Shout.
Yes.
Shout.
No, no, shout it.
Shouted. Oh yes, sorry, shouted.
That's it. Drink.
Rank.
Yeah. Run.
Ran, ran.
Yeah. Wear.
Where?
Yeah.
War.
WEAR.
War.
Or cost.
Cost.
Yeah, good. So now it's translation time.
Okay.
Yeah, these are also very basic. So let's try.
Yeah, please give me.
खुद को बचाओ.
Save to yourself.
Save yourself. स्वतंत्र महसूस करो.
Always try to be independent.
स्वतंत्र महसूस करो.
Always, always feel to be independent.
Feel free. Okay.
Independent. Okay.
सभी को पसंद है.
सभी को पसंद है. All the person like.
Everyone likes it. Yeah, that's okay. मैं हेलो.
Carry on.
मैंने कदमों की आवाज सुनी.
I listened the footsteps.
No, I heard footfalls.
Okay. I heard footfalls.
Yeah. And fourth, अपने पिता से पूछो.
Ask from your father.
Ask your father. There is no need to preposition from. Okay. Okay. Now it's your turn. Ask any question. Then I will, bring here five idioms.
Okay, so as you are doing a lot of different kinds of things, so from where did you get this kinds of idea?
Actually, I have been on this application for I think 8 or 9 months.
Mhm.
So at the beginning, I used to practice, basic questions, and that is not interesting. That were not interesting. Then I thought one day, and then I made a note, and then since then I started doing this, and these things is very interesting. Everyone likes it. You know,
Yeah,
I actually I have been doing this. I think so for 1 week, and everyone liked it. So that's why I'm doing. And it
right.
also teach me. It also I learn lot of things from this. Yeah.
You're right, and you are doing something else, and it is very good.
Thank you appreciating things. And yeah, if go ahead, ask any question, more
Okay,
question.
so now you have completed your BCA. So now, what are you thinking about yourself, and whether you teach or do something else?
Yeah, actually, I want to do a job, but my especially my father emphasizes that please do study further and then do post graduation, then do whatever you want to do.
Okay, so right now you are studying.
Yeah, right now I am studying, and especially I am focusing on my speaking skills.
Yeah, you are right. But if your English, yeah,
Please recommend me that should I teach students?
I think that you should try to teach. Okay.
Yeah, I will think about it.
If you have a 1 2 hour, and according to me, I think that you have 1 2 hour each and every day. So if you give 1 hour each and every day for teaching someone, so they will also learn from you, and you could also learn from them as well as earn. So both things will
Yeah,
be very good for you.
I think also it will give me confidence. Actually,
Yeah.
yeah. Okay. Ask any other question. If you don't have any questions, so allow me to bring here idioms
Okay, I have a 1 2 questions, so I am going to ask for that. Basically, I forgot that where are you from? Where are you living right now?
from Uttar Pradesh, Bhadoni district, which is a very small district in between Varanasi and Prayagraj.
So you have you completed your studies in Hindi medium or English medium?
Actually, till 12th, I
Uh-huh.
completed in Hindi medium and then I switched in English medium. And at that time, I faced a lot of problems, reading, speaking, and, writing, especially.
Okay, so where did you graduation? Now you are doing post graduation. So where
No,
did you
not
graduation?
graduation. I will do post graduation. I'm not
Okay,
doing.
okay, you have completed your graduation.
Yeah, I completed my graduation.
So when you completed your graduation, so at that time, did the teacher used to speak with you in English?
No, no, they did not speak in English, but they teach, reading, writing, especially when you don't know how to, write and read. So, it is very difficult to, pass any exam. You can understand.
Yeah. So when you were in your college and your first year, especially, so at that time you must have faced a lot of difficulties
I faced a lot of difficulties, and due to that, I, failed in two subjects. In two subjects.
in first year.
Yeah, in first year. And that was not a problem of I had no idea, I had no informations, and I had informations, but I also you know was lack of confidence. That's why I got failed.
Okay. So when did you start your English journey?
Yeah, I started my English journey in 2020, 2020, during lockdown.
Okay. When also I started at that time also I started into
Yeah,
2020.
so now
That time.
let me allow me to bring here
Yeah.
idioms.
Please.
Yeah. So first idioms, let's try. Only with each idioms you have 5 seconds. Think
Okay.
and then speak. Okay.
Not
And
to
if you are not
once
able
again.
to,
Please
uh,
once again. Not to.
with each idioms you have 5 seconds.
Okay. Please give me
Yeah.
first medium.
Yeah. Think and speak. Then okay. Then if you are not able to, then I will help. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
But burn your bridges
No, I don't know.
to damage or destroy relationship or opportunities.
Okay.
Yeah. Second, practice what you preach.
No. Sorry.
To do what you advise or recommend others for others to do. Okay, that means don't recommend, do. Okay, and third, take a ran check to postpone or cancel, to cancel plans or something.
Okay.
Okay, now I have a phrasal verbs. Put off.
Put off.
Yeah.
Mm, mm, like fire when breaks out at that time, that is called put off.
Yeah, and it is also mean to delay or postpone. That is a phrasal verb. Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah, and bring up, that is the last.
Bring up means feed, to feed someone.
Yeah, to mention or introduce a plan.
So I am wrong.
Yeah, that's okay. Actually,
Hmm.
what you need to do after these conversations, go on Google or anywhere and search. idioms and phrases. These are not necessary if you are a beginner. This is not necessary. But if you need to sound like native, so you need to learn
Yeah, you are
phrases
right.
and
Okay, I will try.
yeah,
But the thing is that I read the newspaper, so sometime one and two phrase within 1 month I learn. But I don't try to memorize those kinds of things. Okay,
yeah.
I will try to at least to do Google one phrase within 1 week.
Yeah. One phrase every day, not within 1 week.
Every day it would be not good. It would be not suitable for me. But I will try to one in at least one.
Yeah, do as you have time, according to your time. Yeah, that's okay, Laluji. So nice to meet you. And let's say into the conversation.
Okay, thank you. Please share your channel. Okay, I will also watch.
Yeah, okay, I will share.